Alright, okay. Nandito na naman si Sir Javi, guys. Okay. Okay, Sir Javi. Shake, 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 mga math majors. Okay, huwag sukuan ng mga pangarap, math majors. Okay, mag-PM na kayo kang Sir Javi, guys, if you want to join my online review sa mga math majors. Yeah, meron tayong online review, guys, with Sir Javi. Okay, mag-rationalize tayo ng mga past board examinations. Okay? Just PM Sir Javi, guys, para i-add kita sa GC, guys. Alright? Okay, simulan na natin, Sir Javi. Ngayon, ituturo ni Sir Javi, guys, kung paano on how to get the divisors ng dalawang numbers. Kagaya nito, how many divisors does 234 and 126 have? So, kapag ganito, guys, yung mga galawan sa board exam, guys, ituturo ni Sir Javi sa kapag mag-take tayo ng board exam, given, mayroon tayong calculator, tama? Of course, mayroon tayong calculator. Pero, mayroon din tayong manual calculation, guys, on how to find the divisors of these two numbers. Pero as of the moment, ituturo ni Sir Javi, guys, yung calculator technique natin. Para madali lang tayo, guys, sa board exam. Paano natin kukunin yung greatest common divisor ng dalawang numbers using our calculator technique. Okay? Kapag math majors ka, ilabas mo ng calculator mo, Sir Javi. Okay, labas muna natin ang ating calculator. Okay. Ito, guys, kapag kukunin natin GCD, guys, pwede natin gamitin si Euclidean algorithm. Okay? Then, pwede din natin gamitin yung factors method. I-factors natin yung dalawa, kukunin natin yung common factor nila na greatest common factor. But dito, guys, ituturo ni Sir Javi, guys, yung panda, yung mga AC technique, guys. Okay? Alright. Now, first, napakadali lang nito, Sir Javi. Calculator technique lang tayo. I-press mo yung fraction bar, Sir Javi. Ilagay mo yung 2, 3, 4 sa numerator. Then, 1, 2, 6. Okay? 126. Okay? Follow? After that, wala lang ibang gagawin, Sir Javi. Press equal sign. Diba, na-simplify na siya 13/7. Tama? Now, kapag kukunin lang natin yung GCD ng dalawang numbers, ang kukunin lang natin yung both numerator. I-divide lang natin ang original numerator divide by simplified numerator. Diba, ang original natin 2, 3, 4. Tama? I-divide lang natin yan kang 13, Sir Javi. And that would be our greatest common divisor ng dalawang numbers. Nakuha? Okay, tingnan natin. Diba, 2, 3, 4 yung ating original. Then, yung simplified na numerator natin is 13. Tama? So, i-divide lang natin yan. Then, equal sign. Therefore, ang GCD ng ating, ang GCD ng 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 6 is equal to 18. Pero, hindi pa yan yung final answer natin, Sir Javi. Why? Because, ang pinapahanap sa atin dito, how many divisors daw yung dalawang numbers na 2, 3, 4 and 126. Tama? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, mag-prime factor decomposition lang tayo. So, i-decompose natin yung 18, guys, using prime factorization. Okay? So, paano ba yan? Ito, factor 3. Dapat is prime number, then 2, then multiplied by 9. Ang 9, pwede pa natin yan i-simplify. 3 times 3. So, ito, mayroon na tayong tatlong prime numbers. Tama? Then, ilagay lang natin yung product. Diba yung 2, isa lang yung 2, ilagay natin 1 exponent. Ang 3, mayroong dalawa, 2 exponent. Now, next, after that, Sir Javi, kukunin lang natin lahat ng exponent, 1 and 2. Then, mag-add ka lang ng 1. Diba? Una, 1. Okay? Then, mag-add ka lang ng 1. Multiply lang natin. Then, 2 plus 1. Then, ito, 1 plus 1 is 2. Multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 3. Ang sagot natin, 6. Therefore, there are 6 divisors for these two numbers, 2, 3, 4, and 126. Follow for more para hindi ka na mahirapan sa board exam mo.